Don't lay sod on your existing grass. Your new sod won't have the dirt-on-dirt contact it needs to survive and thrive. Here's more from Michael.
Can I lay sod over existing grass? The rule of thumb that we try to pass along to everyone is that you want as much dirt on dirt contact as you can get. So you have the dirt on the ground, you have the dirt on the bottom of each piece of grass. The less opportunity there is for air pockets between those two, the better. I see a lot of people when we're out looking at yards, they try to cut expenses of resodding a yard by just putting a little sand in the areas that need grass, that died, or something like that. But we definitely do not recommend just going out in your yard and finding the ugly parts of your yard that are either overtaken with weeds or something like that and dropping a piece of grass down on top of it and watering it. It may or may not make it, depending on how much vegetation was there. In all cases, it's not going to do nearly as well as it would if you would cut that area out with a sod cutter and leave a good, flat, smooth surface that's only dirt underneath there to lay that new grass on. And then you would water it thoroughly, get rid of those air pockets. And if you use our grass and under the right conditions, you will see some fantastic results for sure.
Houston Grass offers expert grass installation services to help ensure that your lawn project is a success. Our quality grass comes from our family farm in Bay City, where we've been growing grass since 1981. Call us at 281-431-7441 to get started.